stay with us. We have another breaking inputs coming in of how the Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar is also, and as well as Haryana's Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala will also be meeting Home Minister Amit Shah at 6 p.m. This is certainly a big update coming in of both these leaders going and meeting the Home Minister. Is it related to the Supreme Court order today, Amandeep?
Yes, exactly, Richa. And even before meeting the Amit Shah, Haryana Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala held a JJP MLA's meeting in Chhatapur farm in New Delhi, just to discuss the stock of the situation, that how it can be diffused. Just the way the Manohar Lal Khattar's event has revealed so many questions on the Haryana government as well. And even from the very first day of this farm protest, the JJP is also facing the heat of this protest, just because the farmers are continuously opposing the JJP leaders in their own villages and towns. So now the meeting with the Amit Shah of Dushyant Chautala is very important, just because to discuss what the situation is exactly, how to diffuse it and how to deal with it. Just because those are the leaders who have gathered the vote during the elections on the farmers and the Jat vote bank, and both the sections are against the JJP. So now the Dushyant Chautala has also took the stock of the situation from his own MLAs, and that thing will be discussed in the meeting with the Amit Shah. And two other points also, that how to halt the process of tractor rally on 26th of January, how to stop it, how to make the farmers understand the importance of the national security, and even on the other side, that how important is that implementation of these farm laws has been stayed by the Supreme Court. So all the things will be discussed in that meeting, and we are expecting that something concrete will come out through this meeting. Yes, Richa.
All right, thank you so much, Amandeep and Nalini, for getting us the latest as far as the Supreme Court order and several reactions that are coming in, Adisa. We slip into a very short break. We'll be back with the latest on the other side. Stay tuned.